part 20 of our truck build Q&A. Question comes from Silent Theory on TikTok. And the question was, do we have a backup alternator to charge our batteries so we can just start the engine pretty much and let it idle and charge our batteries? The answer is no. Our solar is completely independent. And we were thinking about doing an alternator charger, and we were thinking about a generator, but to be honest, I believe we've put enough solar on the roof and enough battery storage underneath that we shouldn't need subsidiary charging options. Shouldn't. That's probably just gone and calmed myself there. But yeah, no, we believe we put enough solar and storage in that we shouldn't need a subsidiary charging. We had that in the bus, barely used it. So we'll see how we go.